Welcome to MyGoMinds. So today in this video, you will learn how to install SQL. So you get to install SQL Server, SQL Shell, and SQL Workbench. So basically, what is SQL? So SQL is a language used in SQL Server MySQL in order to manage the database. So let's start how to install it. So first, go to Google. So now, type MySQL. Now you have to select www.mysql.com. So once it is selected, so this is the official page of MySQL, and you have to go to downloads. So once click down downloads, scroll down. So now here you will find MySQL community GPL downloads. Click on it. So once it is clicked, this is what it opens, and in the bottom, MySQL installer for Windows. So today we are installing for Windows. So click on it, and so this is Windows 8x86 32-byte. So this is what we have to install, and this is the latest version of SQL. So this also works for 64-byte as well. So download, and so this is something which asks, but you have to select no thanks, just start my download. So once it is clicked, the installation is starting. Click on it. So MySQL is installing. Now choosing a setup type. So you have to select custom and next. So from here you have to, now we are learning how to install SQL Server. So extend this and add it to products to be installed, and applications. We have server, so next Workbench and add it, and next comes the MySQL shell. So once added, click on next. So execute. So these are installing. So you can see the status is complete, and click on next. Now ready to configure. Next, let the default settings be. Now use strong password encryption for authentication. Put it as default recommended. Click on next. Now you have to create a password. So create your own password here. And click on next. Again click on next. Yes, now server file permissions is grant full access to the user running the Windows service. Now in apply configuration, once you click on execute, all the files mentioned above will be automatically applied. So click on execute. Now it's finish. Click on next. Now start MySQL Workbench after setup. Start MySQL shell after setup. Finish. Fine. So click on finish. Now we have successfully installed, and this is how the Workbench looks like. So click on MySQL connections, local instance, click on this, and it will ask for the password which we have mentioned while installing. So save the password and click on open. Now, so this is how it looks like. So on the top right, click on this, and this will be eliminated. So click on this, and yeah. So now, so to create a database, create database and give a name for your database, and then execute. So here one row affected, which means that we have successfully created. Thank you, and please subscribe to MyGoMinds, and also do follow our Instagram page, which is MyGoMinds. Thank you so much. Have a great day.